Hi folks, getting ready to wrap up 2018. Let's kick off 2019 with your best foot forward. 10 things that you can do and improve next year. Number 1, replace those deburring tool blades. They're actually really inexpensive and it's so much nicer to use a fresh, sharp deburring tool. Number 2, start using torque wrenches. Apply consistent torque and be more methodical and scientific with your work holding. Number 3, check your Heimer runout. There's no point in owning a $450 precision tool if you've got runout in the tip. And number 4, all of that awesome tooling that you've got ready to go, take a second and take a look under a microscope or even this $5 loop. Make sure the edges look okay. Make sure the corners aren't chipped. Number 5, clean your machine. We try to clean ours on a weekly, if not bi-weekly basis. It makes such a difference in taking pride in the work, how your customers will perceive your shop when you come in, easier to do troubleshooting and maintenance, and it's generally just a really good feeling. Number 6, likewise, clean your tool holders. This is really easy to do. A little bit of acetone or a degreaser to keep any coolant or lubricants off the wrong places. And if you live in a really high humidity area, you can add a little LPS3 on non-contact surfaces just to keep them from developing any surface rust. Number 7, if it's been a long time since you've last replaced your R8 collet and your drawbar and those Belleville washers, just like we talked about in last month's blog video, it's a really good idea to spend a few bucks and replace those, especially the R8 collet. If it's had any minor dings or crashes, a new R8 collet can really help improve your machine performance and the tool holding ability. Number 8, take your vise apart and clean it, especially if you're guilty of using compressed air at the machine, which we certainly are. You're going to end up blowing chips into the vise screw and into other cavities. Take the time now, pull the vise apart, give it a good cleaning and oiling, and get it back in service. Number 9, inspect those ER collets. ER collets can develop rust, they can develop dings and nicks on them. Good time to take 5 minutes, look through them. If there is some surface rust, either clean it off or throw it away and pick up a new one. And number 10, last but certainly not least, any machine that has gibs needs adjusted. Take the time, dial in that gib adjustment. It will pay itself back with dividends in the machine performance. Hope everybody has a great holiday season. Take care. See you soon.